Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday chaired an all-party meeting with the political leaders from Jammu and Kashmir in the national capital. The meeting was attended by leaders from various political parties, including National Conference leaders Dr. Farooq Abdullah and Omar Abdullah, Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad, PDP leader Mehbooba Mufti, Home Minister Amit Shah, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, BJP Jammu and Kashmir President Ravinder Raina, and People's Conference President Sajjad Loni. This was the first such meeting after the 5th of August 2019, when the Centre decided to abrogate Article 370 of the Constitution that gave Jammu and Kashmir a special status. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said delimitation has to happen at a quick pace so that polls can happen and Jammu and Kashmir gets an elected government that gives strength to Jammu and Kashmir's development trajectory. In a series of tweets, Modi said, meeting with political leaders from Jammu and Kashmir is an important step in the ongoing efforts towards a developed and progressive Jammu and Kashmir where all-round growth is furthered. He added that the priority is to strengthen grassroots democracy in Jammu and Kashmir. The Prime Minister said India's democracy's biggest strength is the ability to sit across the table and exchange views. The Union Health Minister Dr. Vardhan yesterday chaired a tuberculosis TB Mukt Bharat meeting with various development partners of the ministry through video conference. Speaking at the meeting, Dr. Vardhan said, journalists and media personalities should be made TB crusaders to create awareness amongst the people. He expressed the need to develop an institutionalized mechanism to share the best practices, experiences and ideas used in the fight against TB. Dr. Vardhan emphasized upon the importance of leadership and community involvement, proposing that religious leaders, leaders of auto unions can be roped in to create awareness against TB. India has administered 64.89 lakh vaccine doses to the eligible beneficiaries in the last 24 hours. With this, over 30.16 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far on the nationwide vaccination drive. The Union Health Ministry in a statement said that the country has reported 54,069 new cases in the last 24 hours. The active caseload in the country has further declined to 6,27,057. Over 68,885 patients also recovered during the last 24 hours, taking the total recoveries to more than 2 crore 90,63,000. The country has registered further improvement in the recovery rate, which has now increased to 96.61%. The Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry has said that more than 1 crore 89 lakh COVID vaccine doses are still available with the states and union territories to be administered to the beneficiaries. The ministry said the central government has provided over 30 crore 33 lakh COVID vaccine doses to states and union territories so far. The ministry has assured that over 21 lakh 5,000 vaccine doses will be provided to states and union territories within the next 3 days. Mugukchung Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR North yesterday assisted District Hospital Mugukchung by donating blood in its bid to combat shortfall of life-saving blood for its patients due to COVID-19 pandemic amidst the lockdown. The battalion acted at the behest of civil administration and troops volunteered enthusiastically for the valuable contribution. Certificates were issued by hospital authorities to the volunteer soldiers. And as the nation gears up for free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years, we advise our listeners to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 4 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene, and get vaccinated. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800 345 0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.